Case against a bouncer arrested in connection with the torture of patrons at the Zanzou club will resume in Pretoria's Magistrate's Court today. The 41-year-old man is facing various charges, including compelled sexual assault, kidnapping and assault. He was arrested last month after video surfaced showing the man being physically and sexually assaulted at the establishment. Newzroom Afrika's Zola Sholwana is following that case for us. Zola, very good morning to you. Tell us about what we can expect today.
Well, Aldrin, a lot is expected from today's proceedings. You would remember that the previous experience, many, wanted to see the court hearing bail arguments from the defense as to why they believe that their client should be granted bail in regards to this matter. But that did not proceed because there was an identity parade that had to take place because there's another victim that came forward. So from today's proceedings, again, there's a high possibility that we might not hear bail arguments from the defense, mainly because we don't know if there's been more arrests in this case, and we don't know if there's been more victims that are willing to come forward so that an ID parade proceeds before everything continues for today's proceedings. We do know that in the last appearance as well, the defense expected the state to then attend to their matter that they had reported, and that were allegations that their client was assaulted and that during his arrest he had money in his possession and that the money was taken away. Those arguments were not heard. Perhaps that's where court will start when they are hearing today's matter. This matter, Aldrin, continues to be a matter of public interest, as we have seen many political parties, especially the MK party that has been in the forefront of this, saying that this should be used as an example to many of these establishments that we are seeing here in Gauteng, particularly here in Pretoria, where they made allegations that some of them are operating illegally, and there's many activities that are taking place in those clubs, but they do not go reported. So we are waiting to see what's going to transpire today. But more than anything else, Aldrin, we are anticipating that we could possibly hear bail arguments today from both parties, but there's a high chance that the state might oppose the bail for the accused.
Thank you so much. That is Zola Sholwana there joining us ahead of the 41-year-old's court appearance.